Well, hello everybody, and welcome to Rosalie's Kitchen. Well, you know I am the author of Rosalie's Serving Country Cookbook and Rosalie's Serving Italian Cookbook. And I've got a great dish for you tonight. You're really going to love it, and your family's going to love me for giving it to you. All right, it's going to be pasta with cream sauce, and it's going to be mixed in with pancetta and peas. Now, what is pancetta? Well, it's an Italian bacon. It looks just like this. This is how it comes in its little wrapper, all curled up. And it's a salt-dried with a lot of herbs and spices, and it's just really great. But if you don't have pancetta, you can always use a nice thick bacon, and some people even prefer that. Use about 4 to 5 pieces. And right now we're going to come right in our hot skillet. We've got it on about 350. And we're going to go ahead and put in 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil right in our pan. And I expect you'll start hearing that sizzle. Okay, nice, good olive oil. We're going to go ahead and put in our chopped up pancetta. And we're just going to slice up the rest of this right in here, real nice like this. And we're going to cook this for 2 minutes. Let it get nice and crispy, 2 to 3 minutes. Let it get nice and crispy. Then we're going to add the rest of our ingredients, and we're going to make this great dish. Oh man, I can't wait till you guys taste it. So good. Okay, so there's your pancetta, and we're going to add a little bit of this thick sliced bacon since we have it right here. So we've got 5 pieces of the pancetta and just a tiny bit of the thick sliced bacon. We're going to just let that caramelize and be back in a second. Okay, so we're back, and look at this crispy bacon. That was exactly 2 minutes, and the 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So I'm just going to push this over to the side a little bit and add our 1 cup of about a medium onion, sliced up, chopped. And we're going to add that right in there. And we're going to add another tablespoon of our olive oil, extra virgin. We're going to let those onions cook up now. And then on this corner, right over here, we're going to go ahead and have our thick sliced mushrooms. And we're going to do about 2 cups of these. These are so good, and they'll really add a lot of flavor to the dish. We're going to put those in right here. And we're going to go ahead and saute these now. Still at 350 on your electric skillet, between 350 and 400, because we want these to really cook up quick. And we want them to be nice and brown. Okay, so let's time that to about 4 to 5 minutes, shall we? Okay, guys, come on in here and look at these beautiful onions and the mushrooms. Got the bacon over to the side, and that's exactly how we want it to look. Nice and yellow, translucent, and that was exactly 4 minutes for the mushrooms and the onions. And now we're going to go ahead and just mix our bacon into all this. The nice onions. We're going to pour 3 cups of heavy whipping cream right into this dish. And we're going to do that right now. We're just going to pour that heavy whipping cream right over. And we're going to turn down our heat just a little bit because we don't want to scorch our cream. Wow, doesn't that look delicious? At this point, we're going to add some coarse salt. This is our coarse sea salt and our coarse pepper. About probably 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of this. I really love that pepper. It goes so well with the cream. Oh, doesn't that look just great? And now to our cream sauce, we're going to add pecorino romano cheese. If you can't find pecorino romano, which is a little salty cheese, it's wonderful, has a great aged flavor, then go ahead and just use your Parmigiano Romano. It'll still be really great. And now we're going to just go ahead and work that into this sauce. We've turned it down to about 300 now, and we're going to just work in this wonderful cheese right into the sauce. Okay, so let's do that for about 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes here, until we've got a beautiful, wonderful cream sauce. Oh my goodness, guys, look at this beautiful cream sauce. This is 3 cups of heavy whipping cream. And if you want to add just a little bit more to make it 3 1/2, you can. We're going to go ahead and try go with the 2.5 right now, or the three cups, I'm sorry. But we're going to go ahead over here, and we're going to add a tablespoon of our salt to our boiling water. And to that, we're going to add 12 ounces of thin pasta, vermicelli, or your thin pasta. We're going to add 12 ounces to that. And we're going to cook that for 6 to 8 minutes. On the last 2 minutes, though, we're going to add our 10 ounces of frozen peas. So we're going to go ahead right now and let that boil for about 4 minutes, and then we're going to add our frozen peas. Oh, wow, look at this beautiful sauce. The mushrooms, onions, pecorino romano, and the pancetta bacon. Woo, what a sauce. What a great dish tonight. Okay, so our pasta's cooking, and it's been cooking for exactly 5 minutes. We're going to add our 10 ounces of frozen peas right to the water and let it finish cooking for another 2.5 minutes. Then we're going to go ahead and drain it and put it in with our sauce. Okay guys, so here we are, our peas with the vermicelli, and we did the 12 ounces. It's going to be just perfect for our sauce. We're going to go ahead and just mix that in. That was a total of about 7 to 8 minutes on your pasta. You don't want to cook that just too long. Oh my goodness, look at this wonderful dish. Alright, we're going to just go ahead now and put it into our pretty pasta bowl. And we can garnish it with extra cheese if you'd like. Or we're going to actually garnish it with our red pepper flakes. Oh my goodness, look at this great sauce, guys. What a beautiful, beautiful dish for your supper tonight. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put that over here. Now let's sprinkle some of our pretty red pepper flakes right over the top. This will give it a nice little kick right here. You can see those coming out. And there you are. Wonderful peas and pancetta cooked with mushrooms, onions, and whipping cream. Oh my goodness. Hey gang, everybody gather on the table. You are going to kiss me for this dish. It's wonderful. All right, see you next time.